Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to delete your WhatsApp account. With the recent changes to WhatsApp's terms of service, many users are leaving WhatsApp for other messaging apps. Today we're going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp account. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose the Settings option. Then go to the Account setting. Tap Delete My Account. Select your country, then enter your phone number. Tap the red Delete My Account button. Indicate your reason to delete your account. Tap on Delete My Account. Tap Delete My Account once more. That's it. What other tips do you want to know? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.